guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through my backpack to show you guys what I packed for a year abroad, traveling through all kinds of different climates, from really cold and snowing, I am a cold marshmallow, to super warm and really sweaty. Disclaimer up front, I'm pretty sure I overpacked, so don't judge me in the comments if you are a professional packer and you know that I've overpacked for a year. So I borrowed this backpack set from my sister who travelled Europe 3 years ago doing similar things. She was gone for about 3 months. I think it's a 65 litre backpack, I'm not 100% sure, but basically this is about 20 kilos when it's full, and this one that matches it is probably 5 to 7 kilos when it's full, just because of all the stuff that I pack into it. My backpack has 3 compartments that basically I have split up into shoes at the bottom, clothes, and pretty much everything else in the middle, and then toiletries and makeup and brush and everything else at the top. So when I was packing, first of all, I made sure that all of my outfits were pretty much interchangeable, so most of my pants go with most of my tops. I didn't really bring many one pieces. I think I brought 1 jumpsuit and 1 dress, and I've only worn the dress once. So we'll get into that and we can have a look now. So starting with the shoe compartment, I brought with me 4 pairs of shoes. I brought a pair of thongs or flip-flops depending on where you're from, a pair of Converse purely because they smush really flat and they're easy to pack, they're quite light, and they're just a good pair of lace-up shoes to have. A pair of sandals for my dresses and my jumpsuits that I haven't worn yet, so I brought those. And then my good old sturdy joggers that I brought. I've worn these pretty much most days. These are my travel shoes, so any day that we're going from place to place, these are the shoes I wear, just because they are super comfortable. This used to be white, but we went hiking and now it's not white anymore. So that's literally all I keep in that pocket, just because it's not a huge pocket, but it's good because it separates my shoes from my clothes and they don't rub on one another and get dirty. Moving on into the middle of the bag, which is the main section of the bag where I have packed nearly everything. Overpacked again, like I said, probably. So this is what the inside of my bag looks like. The principle is pretty much for me when I pack. I've rolled all of my bottoms into this section. All of my tops I've crammed into a compression bag, which has been really useful, so I would recommend getting a compression bag, at least 1, maybe 2 if you can. I've got my pajamas that are just floating around in the middle because they're the last thing that I wear before I pack up and go somewhere. So let's pull this all out and I'll show you everything. So first of all, I've got my medication pouch, which has pretty much just got Nurofen, some seasickness tablets, some antibiotics that I had left over from a course, some Band-Aids, and that's pretty much it. Some Panadol, basically anything that I thought I might need while we were away. I packed into this little pink bag and it's been really useful for when I've had a headache or anything like that. Next I've got my pajamas, like I said, just got some pajama bottoms, some Peter Alexander little cute ones that my mum bought for me to bring with me, thanks mum. And then my top I didn't put back in my bag, it's over on the bed from last night, so it's just a singlet that goes with that. I've got my laundry bag that has not really anything in it, a couple of pairs of socks that I probably should have put on with the cycle that's on now, but I didn't, so it's my laundry bag. This is where it starts to get a little bit complicated because I have summer clothes and winter clothes kind of chucked into one because we are doing a whole year in Europe, and some of Europe gets really cold and some of Europe gets really hot, so I have to carry everything with me. So at the moment I've got this big jacket, super dry jacket that I've been carrying with me. This served me really well in the UK. I loved it because it was so cold and wet, but I'm still carrying that with me, so that's good. Got a pair of cozy bottoms, or swimming bottoms, whatever you call them, that are just floating around in my bag because I was digging this morning. We went to the beach. So that is normally in this bag that has all of my underwear in it. I would suggest overpack with underwear if you're doing what we're doing, because you never know when you're going to have a washing machine. There's been instances where I have washed all my clothes in the shower. So overpack on underwear is the only thing I would suggest overpacking on. In here I just have a whole stack of underwear. I think I brought 6 pairs of socks, and then I have 2 cozies, or 2 cozy sets. So that all lives in this little bag, helps to keep it all together. A floating pair of socks, that adds into my 6 pairs. Then I have 1 skirt that I brought with me, a beanie, a Balenciaga beanie, a fake Balenciaga beanie, a towel, because you never know when you're going to need a towel. This was really good when we're in the van and showering at the gym, but this has also been really good in Airbnbs, or in one Airbnb where we didn't actually get given towels. So this is a dry light towel that's microfiber, which means it dries really, really fast. I think probably dries within half an hour depending on how wet you get it, but this was really handy to have. We have another skirt that I have not worn, and honestly I don't think I will wear it. I can't see myself wearing it at the moment because it is so ridiculously hot. I don't know, fake leather skirt. Brought that, might send that home with a family member, who knows. I have two of these that are the hair towels you put on your hair when your hair's wet to dry it. So they've been really good, especially when we were showering again at the gym. Pair of gloves that I haven't worn yet. Might come handy in Switzerland, who knows. This is empty. I don't even remember what was in that. Might be time to throw it out, who knows. This had soap in it. Doesn't anymore. It's a little wet bag. Don't know why I kept it. This is a skin optimizing mask primer, which I brought just to spray on my face because it feels nice. I didn't actually bring any masks with me, so don't know why I'm carrying that around either. Dry shampoo, because I'm lazy and I don't like washing my hair that often, so that's come in very handy. Alright, 1 pair of jeans, 2 pairs of jeans, 3 pairs of jeans, 4 pairs of jeans, 5 pairs of jeans. I definitely overpacked on the jeans. I probably could have done with 3 pairs. 1 pair of leggings. I have to say leggings have been really, really good on travel days. They're literally all that I wear. When we're in the van, pretty much the same, literally all that I wore, because they are just ridiculously comfortable and pretty much suitable for any occasion if you've got an all black pair. I have an all black pair over there, so add that. This is 2 pairs of leggings, 3 pairs of leggings, 4 pairs of leggings, and then my other pair that's over there. So 5 pairs of leggings that I brought with me. Overall 10 pairs of long pants, which is way too many. So I'll send some of those home. A pair of Timberland socks because I thought my feet might get cold. Haven't worn them. Another pair of stray socks. A collapsible water bottle, which is great to save space. That's really good. A bajillion bras, that again, I definitely overpacked on. Just way too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and I'm wearing 1, 6. Too many. A little money safe pouch thing that goes under your clothes. Haven't worn it. Probably could get rid of that. Oh, this is what my towel is supposed to go in. But obviously I haven't put it in there. A non-kink hair elastic that's been floating in my bag for God knows how long. A car adapter for when we're in the van. Haven't used that since the end of... When do we get out of the van? Haven't used that since June, so that's good. And then all of my tops. Again, I definitely overpacked. So let's have a look at these, shall we? The funny thing is, when we were leaving Australia, I was thought, yes, I underpacked. Like, everything fits in my bag. I don't have heaps of stuff. And now that we're here, I'm like, I haven't worn half of this. Like, why have I brought it? I've literally worn the same pair of shorts 4 days in a row. Now they're in the washing machine. This is the second time I've worn these shorts, only because the other ones are in the wash. So, who knows? Which reminds me, I do have clothes in the wash. So I think it's a pair of shorts, singlet, and a pair of socks. So, which you would have seen in my last video. That's the outfit I'm washing at the moment. So, we have a throwover. I brought quite a lot of these, or I say quite a lot, I brought 3 because you can wear them over stuff and you can wear them by itself. So I thought that was good to bring. Pretty much all I've worn is black and red, which is really weird to me. That's all I brought. And I didn't really think I liked red. I knew I liked black, which is why I brought so much black stuff, but red. So we have here a black t-shirt. Oh, this isn't a top, this is my trackies that I have not worn since the start of July. But they're good to have, I guess. Just lazy pants. I'm having a lazy day. This is a maroon bodysuit. Again, more red bodysuit. That's good to tuck into stuff. What's this? Black singlet. Another black singlet. Another black singlet. Oh, a cropped black singlet. Told you I like black. Black and white striped t-shirt. Only worn that once. Another black singlet. Love my black singlets. I don't think I've actually worn a black singlet since we've been away, to be honest. Oh, a little bit different. A black leotard. Just because I might want to tuck something black in. Alright, a bit of colour. We have another throwover that is ridiculously creased. Fun fact, I actually ironed this with a hair straightener once while we've been away. It worked. Don't judge me. So, pretty much that. None of my clothes are terribly expensive either. I shop at Kmart. Another throwover, just a different pattern. This one's got short sleeves. I actually bought this while we were away because I was kind of cold, that I actually bought to do this with. Stylish. And then we have the clothes that I have not worn yet. So we've got one jumpsuit. It's got like a cute little cutout in the back, if you can tell. Maybe I'll wear that in Greece if I'm not too sweaty. Probably will be there. This wrap dress that I've literally worn once. Oh, and this dress that I haven't worn either. Stripy dress. That's just more of a comfy dress. I probably could wear that today, but I'm already dressed, so I'm not going to. And then we're into my long sleeves that I haven't worn. since we left the cold countries. A red skivvy thing, same style, black and grey skivvy thing. And wouldn't you know, some more black, a black one. A lot of these are inside out, sorry. Oh, bonus, another pair of leggings. That takes us up to 6 pairs of leggings. Jesus. Another black long sleeve thing. To be fair, I only packed 4 long sleeve shirts, I think. And that was enough for the time that we're in the cold countries. Even though we're going back, I think, yeah. I packed too many pants and a good amount of shirts. And then we have my hoodie. My only jumper. Let me surprise you with what it is on the front. It's Gucci, bitch. Oh, it's 32. It's not real. I can't afford that. Don't kid yourself. 30 bucks. That's empty. So that's all my clothes for a year, which looking at it now is probably way too much. Oh well, oops, what can you do? And then in the top section, I've already taken everything out because the zipper is on the back, so it's kind of hard to take it out while it's like this. I have my makeup bag, which just has very, very basic makeup in it, some foundation, some mascara, stuff like that. I have my makeup brushes, which again, I've only got probably 5 or 6 brushes because I didn't really need that many. My toothbrush, hairbrush that's got a lot of hair in it. Ew. And my toiletries bag, which has some razors and then some little bottles of face wash, shampoo, conditioner. Nothing too much. And that's it in my big bag. In this bag, I carry my laptop, the power adapters, and the electronics, so my hard drive and my headphones and stuff like that. But other than that, that's all I live with for a year. Have I forgotten anything? He doesn't think so, so that's good. Thanks for watching. If you like this, let me know. Might see you next week, might not, haven't decided yet. Bye!